An outdoor patio is the perfect place to host a backyard party, cook your favorite summer recipes, or simply soak up the sunshine. However, no outdoor entertaining space is complete without a shady and comfortable space to lounge. Since the hottest summer days can make it difficult to fully enjoy the outdoors, adding a patio umbrella to your backyard decor allows you to enjoy the view without overheating or getting sunburned. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 patio umbrellas on the market. We have made our research and this list reflects our opinion. We have listed products based on quality, durability, price, features, consumer feedback, and more. Our goal is to create a proper shopping guide so that our viewers can make the best choice. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Listen 9 featuring solar umbrella. Just because the sun's gone down doesn't mean you have to head inside. String lights are already a stylish way to illuminate your backyard after sunset, and our testers love that the underside of the Blisson solar lighted patio umbrella is lined with solar-powered LED lights. However, this umbrella earned high praise for more than just the lights. Our testers noted that it's the perfect size for a small patio table. Cleaning off debris and faux bird poop was quite easy with a little soapy water, and there was no residue left behind. While the umbrella isn't UV resistant and we had to adjust the brightness of our laptop slightly when sitting under it in order to see the screen clearly, it kept us quite cool in the shade, and as the sun moved, we were able to easily tilt it in different directions without much effort at all. Number 2. PHI Villa 15 Feet Patio Umbrellas. The hardest part about purchasing outdoor furniture is figuring out how to secure it safely so it won't blow away or get damaged during a storm. While there's always a chance of that happening no matter how hard you try, we love that the PHI Villa double-sided outdoor market umbrella comes with its own fillable base, so you don't have to worry about finding your own. This 15-foot patio umbrella is basically 3 umbrellas in one, and the heavy-duty base at the middle is designed to be filled with sand to keep the whole thing secure. While we found it quite heavy and difficult to put together, it took our testers 20 minutes. Once it was installed properly, we were impressed by the quality and effectiveness of this umbrella. It easily blocked the sun enough for our testers to use their computers beneath it without adjusting the brightness. Number 3. Hampton Bay 11 featuring LED patio umbrella. If your outdoor space is drenched in sunlight, purchasing a cantilever patio umbrella can make it easier to provide shade protection to a bigger surface area in your yard. This is because the best cantilever patio umbrellas rotate 360 degrees, allowing you to move the shade from one part of your deck to another as the sun moves. The top is made from weather and fade-resistant polyester that is super easy to clean stains out of, allowing it to last through multiple seasons of use without showing its age. We discovered that it effectively blocked the sunlight, providing UV protection and keeping our testers cool beneath it during testing. When we doused the top of the umbrella with a simulated rain shower, the water droplets rolled right off instead of seeping through to the underside. Materials: steel and sunbrella acrylic fabric. Color options: 5. Number 4. Elite Shade USA Non-Fading Sun Umbrella. Our testers loved how stylish and easy to use the Elite Shade Sunbrella 3-tier market umbrella was during our tests, giving it a perfect score in almost every category. Since it's made with an aluminum rust-resistant frame and covered with a fade-resistant fabric, it's sturdy enough to withstand wind, rain, and sun exposure without becoming damaged. When spraying the umbrella with water, we found that moisture dries easily from the fabric top in under 10 minutes. So you won't have to wait long to use this umbrella after a rain shower. We also found that it was super easy to wipe stains like bird poop off of the fabric, so the umbrella will stay in good condition without a ton of elbow grease. The canopy is adjustable, meaning you can raise and lower this umbrella with an easy-to-use crank, and tilt it to block the sun with the press of a button. Number 5. Sofavia Pat 8008A Push Button Tilt Umbrella. Create a coastal oasis in your own backyard with this stylish fringed patio umbrella. The Sofavia Milan Fringe Tilt Umbrella really stood out to our testers for its beautiful design, durable materials, and funky fringe. It earned perfect scores for its size, appearance, and sun protection, making it a great addition to your backyard patio. At 9 feet in diameter, the umbrella easily covers a table and up to 6 chairs, so there's plenty of space for hosting a family dinner or inviting guests. The canopy is UV resistant to prevent fading, and during testing, we found that it effectively blocked the sun. Our testers could sit beneath it without needing sunglasses and use their laptops without changing the brightness. It's also completely waterproof, so when we sprayed it with a sprinkler, the water beat it up and rolled right off, leaving the underside dry to the touch. Please like, comment, share, subscribe and hit the bell notification. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one, and we hope you like this video. If you want to know the product price, do check out the description box. Thanks for watching.